Web services are very important because they extend your application to non-Synergy software. So as a result of that, we're able to communicate with software written in VB.NET using an industry standard communication mechanism.
Some of the objectives we were trying to achieve was to allow us to integrate our VMS products with external platforms. For example, one of the ones that we do is we've done some integration with UPS WorldShip as far as getting information from our business systems and allowing us to do real-time tracking of orders after they leave our facility through UPS. Other things is providing real-time information to customers and our internal users as far as order tracking, information on invoices that have been produced, and the business, it's like, although they may not even realize what's going on, is really beginning to rely more and more on XF Server Plus as a product.
We've had some internet applications that we've been transmitting data back and forth between our mainframe VMS application, web applications, and it was an issue with the timing and all the work needed to get the data back and forth, and web services allowed us to get that data real time and integrate the applications much smoother and easier than under traditional methods.
When we were implementing XF Server Plus, our main objectives were to unlock a lot of the business logic and application logic data access that we had tied up in our core business application, but we wanted to make that available via web services, web service calls using XF Server Plus back to our host application from mobile devices which were out using real-time links using the internet and GPRS.
We need to explore web services because one of our customers wanted to have the ability to have pricing done on a remote computer system instead of using the pricing within our own system, which was used in the past.
Our application is now extended to handheld scanners which run Windows CE.NET, which is an operating system that Synergy DE is not available on. So the only way that we can implement real-time communications with those is through web services.
Web services are important because it allows us to get the real-time communications with live data instead of having to do a data dump each night or however often that you need to do it. It gets the data real time, it's accurate, it's up to date. We're able to provide a tool for our customers to get instant access to their data, to transmit their data to us, and get the results back instantly using web services through our Synergy DE backend.
Now that we're able to use XF Server Plus, our application is able to directly interact real time with our core business logic. We're able to take orders, pass orders out to the mobile delivery system. We're able to update those orders. We're able to collect cash, record stock movements, and keep track of things in real time, which we wouldn't have been able to do without making the XF Server Plus calls back to our application.
It gave us a method to communicate with the machine, which is not running the same software we're running, not running even the same hardware, or written the same languages.
Web services allows us to transmit the data between our applications in real time within a matter of seconds. With the change in customs regulations that require timing and everything, it's important that we get instant response and instant updates with our data, and this allows us to get that data done instantly.
It means the application now is able to directly access orders that have to be delivered, immediately update those, collect cash, reconcile balances, account for stock, all doing real-time links back using the existing business logic that we have invested so many man-years of effort in developing. The implementation effort was actually very smooth. It just basically did what it said it would do. It allowed us to define which routines we wanted to call, define the parameters to and from those, and it was very simple and straightforward.
The implementation effort for web services was fairly straightforward. This was because we'd attended several SPCs in the past and were fully versed in what we needed to do to get there.
We've found that since we have added the XF Server Plus functionality to our application, that we are opening doors now that we just wouldn't have been able to open before.
By using web services to connect to handheld scanners, we have a whole new software package that we previously would not have been able to provide.